How to fix the Windows upgrade failed. Error code 80240020. So if your Windows upgrade failed and you get the code like this inside the error details, then in order to fix that, what you can do is first of all go to your Windows and hold the Windows key and press the R button. And after this pop-up appears, then inside the text box right here, type REGEDIT. Click on OK. And inside the registry editor, click on local machine right here. Now go to software, search for Microsoft and click on Microsoft. Scroll down to Windows and click on the Windows option right here. And inside the Windows, click on current version right here. And inside the current version, search for Windows Update and click on the Windows Update option right here. And since I have my upgrade up to date, I don't have the OS Update option right here, but if you have the OS Update right here, then make sure to click on the OS Update. And after you reach the OS Update page, then right click on this page right here, click on New, and enter the 32-bit value or 64-bit value according to your PC. And you can name the new value so created. And after you have named the new value, then click on it and you can set the value data as 1. And after you do that, click on Enter and try to check the Windows upgrade again. So that should pretty much fix your problem. So that's it for today. That's how you fix Windows upgrade failed error code 80240020. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.